Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with MongoDB Atlas App Services on mobile, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing MongoDB Atlas App Services on mobile, ensure you have the necessary tools installed. Download and install the MongoDB Realm SDK for your mobile platform. Next, create a new project in the MongoDB Atlas dashboard if you haven't done so already. Once your project is created, navigate to the App Services section. Click on Create a new app and provide a unique name for your app service. Select the database service you'd like to connect to, then proceed to create your app. After your app is created, head to the Authentication tab. Enable at least one authentication provider, such as email/password or anonymous. Configure the chosen authentication method according to your preferences. Now, switch to your mobile application's code editor. Import the necessary Realm SDK to begin integrating authentication. Set up your application configuration to include the app ID generated from your Atlas App Services. Use the appropriate function to initiate the authentication process. For example, if using email/password, prompt users for their credentials. Call the sign-in method with the user-provided email and password. Handle the authentication response to confirm success or display error messages. For anonymous authentication, simply call the anonymous login function. After a successful login, retrieve the user object for further interactions. Use this user object to perform database operations and manage user sessions. Remember to implement proper error handling for a smoother user experience. With these steps, you are now ready to authorize users with MongoDB Atlas App Services on mobile. Explore additional features like managing user sessions or leveraging custom user data for enhanced functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.